In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dynamic Connect Canon Onboard cloud application for cost recovery. This is a 100% cloud-based solution that runs directly on the Canon panel, like you see in front of you. This means there are no requirements for any servers or additional hardware. I'll now bring up the application so we can begin. So this is the Cloud Onboard application, and to start, you'll need to log in either using a PIN code, or if you use them, you can use the swipe cards as well. We also support self-registration for cards, so users can manage their own card logins too. I'll go ahead and enter my PIN and press login. This brings us to the launcher menu, and to start billing for photocopies and scanning, etc., press start. So here we can enter the account code, and the easiest way to do this is to use the arrow over here on the right. This will bring up a list of your recently used account codes, so we can select one of those and then press start. Now we can begin our job, and once finished, remember to press log out. This will take us back to the login screen, ready for the next person. And that's it. Your copy or scan has been recorded, ready for billing. So I'll now log in again and show you the extra features. So you can also enter an account code using the list feature. So the list is a directory of all the account codes, and you can search for these using the on-screen keyboard. So if I start entering Smith, for example, you'll see this list has now filtered down to the Smith accounts, and you can search for any part of the account, such as the number, the name, or the description here. We can also enter a remark to go with the job. So a remark is a description that can be used for reference, and this comes in handy when running reports and invoicing and so forth. So using the arrow on the right, we can select from the list of predefined remarks, and this list is completely customizable as well. We can also enter our own by tapping in the field and then using the keyboard to enter in our remark. If the work you're doing is not account related, you can use the Office button. And Office codes are those such as accounts, admin, or marketing, etc. Anything that is not account related. And we can add as many different account codes as is required, so that can be customized as you need. Any jobs done to Office codes will be recorded statistically for reporting, but they will not be billed. And again, we can also enter a remark in to go with those jobs as well for reporting. The last feature we have is the new tab. So if you cannot find an account code, say for example that it hasn't been synced or you haven't created it yet, tapping here will bring up a keyboard and you can enter the account code here. So once the account code has been synced, then that will reconcile itself in the back end. Otherwise, if you enter in something meaningful, such as Smith for the Smith account, then an admin staff member or the user can go back and amend that code at a later date and then recover that job for billing. So that's the Dynamic Connect Onboard app for cost recovery. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.